Welcome back. Now we're gonna see how to change the face expressions in photos. So if you are a photographer, you will not be worried anymore about the face expressions when you take photos. So now we have this normal face. He doesn't look very happy and he's not sad either. And we're gonna make two versions of this photo, a happy face and a sad or angry face. Okay, so now let's start working. First of all, I will rename this layer with original. Then I will duplicate it 2 times and name the layers sad and happy. So I'm gonna work on each layer to create another face expression. So now we're gonna work on the sad face. We select the sad layer and we hide the happy layer. Then we go to Filter, Liquify. And what's happening is that Photoshop is detecting our face details. So he's detecting eyes, nose, mouth, and the shape of the face. So for example, let's try customizing the mouth. Just like this, and we can create the effect of a smiling face or a sad face. And to create an effect of a sad face, we just move the lips down. Also, we can customize the nose. Also, we can play around with the eyes. When someone is angry or sad, his eyes looks almost closed. So we do this. Then we customize the nose. So I will move up the nose just a little bit, just to seem like someone angry or sad. Usually the nose looks like this. And the final thing is the forehead. I will reduce the forehead size, just like this. Also, we can use these options on the right side of the screen to create the same effects. And to save the changes, we click on OK. And now we have the sad face. And you can see the difference between the original layer and the sad layer. And in the next step, we're gonna work on the happy face. So, hide the happy face and click on the happy layer, and you do the same. You go to Filter, Liquify. And this time I will start working with these options on the right. And we're gonna do exactly the opposite of what we did for the sad face. And now he really looks like a happy person. So to save, we click OK. And finally we have these 3 expressions of the same face. So as you can see, there is a difference between the happy, the sad, and the original layers. So this is how to change the face expression using Photoshop. Thank you for watching.